I thought that was a cat or something. I saw it in the corner of my eye. I was like, what in the world? All right.
Welcome back to Knock.
Pause. Now,
I dropped the controller. Keep going.
all right. Now, we're on the pause screen because Bobby, unlike himself, pushed A too quickly.
I hate you.
And we're on one of my favorite episodes levels.
Is it your favorite episode ever?
It's my favorite episode
as of
far.
2017.
It's my favorite episode thus far. I love this one because you get a little tipsy.
Oh, it's the drunk one.
It is. I
Or is it
I saw the cottonweed, so let's roll.
Let's go get stoned, boys.
And I think this is the first instance where you get the watermelon too.
That is not true.
Is that not too further?
No. Come here.
I think these roly-polies got me thinking that. Dude, maybe you can get things with the... You can lick them off the ledge. There you go. Oh, there...
What?
There's the watermelon.
Where?
Right there in the tree.
I didn't see it the other day.
I wasn't wrong.
You were so.
What was it?
You were so wrong.
I was like, this is the first episode.
You were so wrong. It's one of the worst wrongs that's ever been in the history of the country.
Oh, I was so right. Oh, hit one. Grab it. Yes! Yoshi can't handle his cotton.
No, he can't. Oh,
you're about to lose that baby.
I think we're gonna. What?
DTS, whatever. What's the child services?
Oh.
Yoshi's not a very good child.
He's... Okay. Oh.
Can you get past that flower in this?
Like, Yoshi is so...
My only regret at the moment is you still have watermelon seeds, and I would like to see you eat.
Oh, I do. I shall.
Okay, eat it.
Look at those eyes.
Boom! Oh, oh! I said there was not going to be any potty humor, but man, that's just gold.
You can't get away from no potty humor.
Eat
man.
it. Eat it. Eat that. Make him fart. There we go.
Derek, you're having way too much fun with this.
Oh, this is the best episode ever. I love this level. I know you have to talk. This is great. You can stay in this part. No, you lost it. Go back. Go eat your one last one.
Are you sure they haven't quit spawning?
They spawn back.
Do they?
No, they don't.
Okay, thank God.
I'm a sad panda. Well,
I'm a sad panda for you, but I'm not a sad panda because I'm kind of glad that I've got full control back.
I love that. I love those. Those are the greatest things.
Stars all around me.
Love how the eggs skip across the water. Just put a right spin on your children, and they just go.
Yep.
Goal!
Nope,
we don't get an extra level. No scratch and sniff today.
You're scratching right now. In an area I don't want to sniff.
Thank you.
Leave that to your imaginations.
Anyways.
Sorry, potty humor is my specialty.
Alright, now we're to the boss level.
We're here. Oh, this guy. That's what it was.
Oh, and there's only 6 worlds, by the way.
Oh, did you look it up while I was...
I did look it up.
While I was busy with my other life?
I'm a big old cheater.
That's okay. The internet was
Hey,
made for cheating.
earlier I said I work 60 hours a week, so they need to know you do stuff too.
This is true. I do stuff. I just don't get paid.
You get paid.
Yeah, but this is true. I get paid. Just not on a consistent basis. This whole section will be cut.
Sadness.
Because truth be told, I'm not actually salty about my job. Because, let's be honest,
it's awesome.
It's.
There's a flower at the top if you go that way.
There's a what?
There's a flower up top if you go that way.
Well, first I'm gonna drown. A fire what now?
There's a flower.
Flower.
Go up to the left on top, right there.
I thought you said fire.
No.
I thought you did a fire. Oh, that's where this flower is. Mm-hmm. Yay. Happy
You're
day.
welcome.
Happy days was a show.
Welcome. By the way, that movie's awesome.
Was it a movie?
Moana.
Oh, that's right. I missed it the other week. Y'all watched it when I didn't come over. How come I didn't come over?
I think you had a meeting.
Was it a CD thing?
I think so. But anyways.
Was it last week?
Mm-hmm. No, yeah. No, last week we watched an Indian film.
The best movie
Bollywood?
ever in
Bollywood
existence.
It was,
or possibly the worst. I'm not sure which one.
It was Ethereum, the robot.
Ethereum.
The robot.
Yes.
It was great. Go watch it. $5 on Amazon. You won't regret it.
Just make sure you've got 3 hours of your life to spend.
It is a 3-hour film. It does.
That's the only downside to it, but is it a downside?
It really isn't. It's a great film.
I swear. That's...
Now go down.
Really?
No,
Yep.
just don't just drop. And that platform right here should be flipped.
I know.
Okay, there you go.
But
yeah, it's a great little film. It's about a robot learning to love and then learning to kill. So
best synopsis ever.
It's really good. I highly suggest it. You go get that flower. You go get that flower. There we go.
You're awfully bossy today.
Wrong.
Going up.
These make no sense.
Even to this day.
They're ghosts.
Are they ghosts?
No, I'm trying to come up with the reasoning behind it.
Oh, Mario magic.
Get your save point on. Get your save point.
What other logic do you need besides Mario magic? Uh-oh.
You
respawn. I'm the worst, I know.
I didn't say you're worse.
You thought it.
No,
I felt it. I felt it through the ether.
I felt your disdain. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Huh? Did you say it was no fun?
I said this is gonna be fun.
Where's my hole? There it is. No. Oh, you know what? There is stuff down there.
Mm-hmm.
Oopsies. Oh well, whatever.
Sorry. Let me just go ahead and mute that real quick. There we go.
Boo.
Yes, that was from Moana as well. Once again, great film.
We're gonna be copyright noticed.
No, we're not. You got 30 seconds to turn it off.
I don't think it works that way on YouTube.
Make my creature growl.
I'll take him there in a hurry.
Bowser's Castle, I'll take you. Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. I'm sorry. I just want to read a repulsa her every time on him. Because that's literally what he does. Just makes a bigger creature.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, that just looks so good. And think about the time they did this. In 1995.
Well, dude, Nintendo, people, it's fun to hate on Nintendo right now. Oh.
can jump on top of it. I don't think it can damage you.
Oh, I see where it kills me.
Push it off in the water.
Are you serious?
Easy one. Aw, little boy, he just killed himself.
I did that a lot better last night than I did today.
So colorful when they explode. Look, you got the world map key.
Yay. Bom, 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 ba-dum, ba-da-ba-ba.
The Mario version of Pop and Circumstance.
Is that what it is?
Well, the way you were singing it made it sound like it.
So I did average at best.
Well, you didn't get the extra levels.
Is that what those other two
Yes,
are?
they
I
are,
couldn't
the extra
remember.
I believe you need to find a secret door to them.
I thought it was all hundreds.
You might be right. It might be all hundreds.
World 2, baby. Get hype.
Whoop, whoop. All right, let's go fight some Koopas.
All right.
So Shy Guys and Piranha Plants.
Visit Koopa.
Paratrooper.
Something other bullcrap.
Paratrooper. Come on, he's only my favorite character in Mario Kart Double Dash.
The
Paratrooper.
Para-Boobie. That didn't come out right.
Freudian slip.
That
And Super Mario.
Super Baby Mario. Baby.
Keep running. Hold Y.
Get that star, boy. Get the star, boy.
Rockets in flight. Afternoon delight.
Run right. Or left, whatever. Fleur.
There you go. We got everything we need.
Yeah.
I always found it weird that Super Mario can't climb and go into pipes, but he can crawl on walls.
Oh, you mean in this game?
Yeah, Super Baby Mario.
Well, I guess he can't be too OP because you've got to have some real world physics in this game. Why not make it be that the baby can't
floating
jump?
stone rocks. Rural physics.
Rural physics?
Rural physics.
What are rural physics?
Well, they're different than city physics. I can give you that. Oh no.
I'm dying.
Oh no, you hit the suggestion box.
Actually, it bounced off of the dog. Come here, dog. Let me get on you.
This dog's mechanics are odd in this game.
He's so ugly in this game. I mean, with apologies to dog lovers, but...
Well, he's supposed to be a dog, but...
He's kind of... He kind of looks like some reject creation that Elroy from the Jetsons would make.
It's real bad.
Go,
A
dog.
huge gaping mouth, but it never really moves.
Like I said, he's much more adorable in Woolly World.
That's because everything's more adorable in Woolly World.
Yarn helps. Is there supposed to be something up there?
No, that's where you came out.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Well, in that case.
Don't worry. Big brother Derek will guide you. That was bad.
Whoops.
Abuse.
See, this is why we don't want face cam.
I want face cam.
You want the world to see me abuse you?
I need evidence.
Blackmail. Shut up.
I know where they're not. Hey.
Popo. God bless the Team 4-star people.
This game just demands you slow down.
But you know what? That's okay, though.
No, it is okay. But you don't realize it until you start playing this on a timer.
That was almost terrible.
You don't realize it until you start playing this on a timer. By the way, the last level. Before...
Don't you boss me around.
We've beaten 2 levels in a castle.
Don't you boss me around.
And this is the first level of the next world.
I said don't you boss me around. Just because you think you're my big brother. I say as I lose.
You say as you die.
We've got to have some kind of meta. I don't know that that's meta, though. Dude. It's not right.
Are you trying to just collect all the...
I want the red coin.
Oh my goodness, just go.
I know it bothers you
Struggle
so.
is real. Just roll, you got the key. The key to what? We don't care.
That's an awful place to put that. I got boomed. Now that is a mechanic that should have been in the game. Shoot Baby Mario down. Oops, I shot him into a cabin.
Oh,
I am
no.
crutched.
Oh, that was so clutch. Good jarb.
Jarb.
You lost it.
I have no eggs. Let me up.
There you go.
Oh,
that's where the door was.
Popping balloons. Pop the ground. Pound the ground, rather. To pop the ground
Find
to
the
pound the
correct one to
balloons. Come on, controller.
He gonna beat you up.
It's the worst.
You can't beat this guy.
Huh?
He's your Gary Oak.
Ploop.
Yes, everything can be related back to Pokemon. Don't look at me like that. Oh, that one flower you missed.
And you all used to hate on me for bringing everything back to Dragon Ball. Actually, I don't know that you ever did.
No, absolutely not.
That's an F.
Yep, that's all it is. Ooh, baseball.
Baseball. Doesn't that start up soon?
Yes.
IRL?
Yes.
I wonder what happens if I throw the ball at them.
And they catch it and throw it back. He wants it some directions.
He's like, how does life work? That was fun. Stomp. Stomp.
What are these super shy guys?
Oh, come on, man. I actually kind of like this.
I was like, what's that thing?
That's a
I was
pointless
trying
mechanic.
to remember what it does. I was like, what's that thing do? How do you get past it?
Okay, clearly not.
You can on the other hand. Oh,
What on earth?
it's a toadie. They'll come in. Certain levels they'll come and grab them.
Good to know.
It's not always free for roam. For our little warrior. Well, you got that shy guy.
Oh no.
And a tiny mustard seed.
Mustard, you've made me want hot dogs. Or brats.
Brat is so much better. Get that American stuff out of here.
Oh, did you see that?
You had an epic clash.
It was like a Kamehamehas. Yes, plural. Actually, that was right. Come on.
I like the clouds.
Oh, the animated.
Yeah, that's pretty great.
They're just kind of
Chillaxing.
relaxing, all cooling.
Shoot it.
You know what time it is.
To go backwards and not forward in progression.
Little Babby Mario. Okay, the camera's freaking out.
That's how I do.
So do I go down again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right across. On the spikes.
Oh, I get it.
Save point.
I understand. Did we start a new episode? We did. Okay.
Welcome to a new episode. Keep going.
Last level of this episode. Let's see how.
You gotta remember to check after each level. Oh! Oh!
Oh, it's over.
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I got the flower. It's over.
Now it's over.
Okay, next time knock.
Pause.